Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are at an allotment and we're going to learn about beekeeping. Okay, all right.
Now tell me something. What did you see?
I saw a swarm of bees
Over that side.
over, yeah, kind of down between yours and Mark's plot there, down in that corner.
When I did come,
Yeah.
they were in and out a bit, but
Right.
not as much.
Oh,
But it was a little bit later.
they were swarming because I've seen Gary's bees swarming. So
Absolutely.
yeah.
I think this weekend going into it, there will be a lot of salt.
So, and I need to get ready for my.
So we're going to hit 26, 27. They don't like that. This is the problem. See, when it gets too hot, they want out.
Yeah.
So
Hello.
when
Yeah.
there are some in Kenja around, be careful.
Oh yeah, but except they don't sting you when they're swarming.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you've got a nice
That's
garden.
That's what they said on the bee.
That's
on
what they
beekeeping
say,
course.
but just,
Well,
just
it's
be
rare.
careful.
It's rare. Yeah, no, I don't tend to walk into the middle of them when they're swarming. It's quite an energetic experience. I leave them to their thing.
What are you growing? What are you growing here?
This is purple sprouting broccoli.
Oh, right.
I've got broad beans up there
Wow.
and garlic behind that.
Oh,
And I've
lovely.
got potatoes in, but they haven't come up yet.
Mm.
I've got some peas there,
Peas.
and raspberries there, and strawberries there. An apple
Wow.
tree, a cherry tree.
Lovely. That's lovely. Very good.
You know,
Anything
Mom
in
has
here?
got allotment, but we
Is
all
there
put
anything in
both
here? Or
I
This
love
is
it up here. Spend a lot of time up here.
yeah, very nice
Have you planted
garden.
anything?
That one
No, not at
is-
all. But I want to start though. I want to start.
Need to start.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely.
This is broccoli.
Yeah.
Wow, this is lovely.
It's quite big.
And although it's
Yeah, I really want to start doing something
quite sour,
green. But I'm thinking of aeroponics.
Yes.
You know that tower?
I was just talking to my mom about that. I want to try the normal.
Yeah, I want to try that.
I want
Yeah.
to try
Yeah, but definitely.
what is it? This sunflower
Yeah.
seeds.
Okay, to grow them in those towers. Yeah, okay. They take little space. You just need to feed them with nutrients.
Yeah. Water.
Water with nutrients, though.
Yeah.
You've got
Mostly water.
water, yeah.
I just want to try it with just plain water. See
Oh,
what happens.
really?
Forget the nutrients because I don't like all this nutrient stuff.
Oh, that's how you get the fruit.
Yeah, but really, it's supposed to be water, and that water being changed almost every day. Yeah.
Yeah,
Water
now
is
I
what
would
the
put
nutrients you need.
I'll put NPK. You know those NPK, sodium, and all that.
You see all that stuff. You see, that's why here we're really organic.
Yeah, you don't use that.
No. Only manure.
Right, right. This is manure, right? Wow, wow. That's good. That's good.
You know, see how you
Okay, nice.
So,
aquaponics. Yes.
It's good, right? It takes small space and you can do it in your back garden.
But you can do it indoors as well.
Yeah, yes, I know. If you've got a bit of space, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So okay, guys, let's have a look and see what's going on.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Our pleasure.
no, the bigger one.
Mine is restless. Just like you said, your missus was so fucking good. These guys are for time, yeah? No, we've given it up, but the guys who's taking it off.
I don't like when bees sting. I like bees. Who doesn't? I'm like the yellow or happy and black and you know. Who's boxing? They love out just like me. Just this thing.
You can have a little pond like this.
Come on, just go before they sting me.
If you don't disturb it, it won't sting you.
No, I need to straighten it. That's why, because it's like that, you see. I need it to go on top of that.
Just
So the
see.
entrance
There's
is,
like,
uh,
are you seeing this? Hi
you see,
guys.
I've already put a thing on.
Super.
Are you seeing that much of
But there was
bees?
nothing
That
happening
much
this
how much
time of
bees there are. I should step back.
Yeah, quite happy.
Or
That one is as big as the queen.
or
Look at how big that is.
Mine seems to, this drone seems to be big. You know,
Isn't it drawn? But this one.
they're all drawn.
Hey, that's so dark white.
Even your boy is laughing. You know? That is something else, isn't it?
But honestly, most of them are darker than, and they're quite big. They're darker than.
I know, I
Let's
have
stand
noticed
still,
that.
Jess.
Is the honey, what color is the honey?
Sorry.
Is the honey dark?
Last year it was light.
Light.
Very, very light.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah?
but they come in
But I
with
note
pollen.
that the honey that they have is very dark.
Really?
Yeah, in the brood.
Mm.
Yeah, but because most guys, like
So what are the health benefits? I hear when
need to switch up first, eh?
when they sting, they release.
Yeah, they're good for your immune system.
They're very good, right? That sting.
yeah,
Some people even go to get stung.
You see when
They-
I'm checking them,
Eh.
I do let them sting me.
Do you know there's a thing like that? Like people who are suffering from stuff, they pay
But-
beekeepers to go to have a sting.
Yeah, but listen, you need to be careful of allergy.
Oh, some
Yeah.
people are
Yeah,
allergic.
Because I don't know whether these kids are allergic or not.
no,
That is
they're
why I'm saying when we open this, I don't want
They
them
need to
around,
be, yeah.
because I don't want them to be stung.
Okay,
Really, to be
yeah.
honest.
Me, I need a bee stinging. A good old. No, it's good for you. It's actually,
venom.
yeah, the venom is
These
good.
are very good.
the venom
Strawberries.
is terrible.
Oh, right.
Last
Terrible,
year,
I tell you.
They're quite big.
and then I had to keep them away, man.
Wow.
Yeah?
It's so many.
I had to keep them away. There were so many last year.
But let's say it was more alive.
Don't move your hand. Don't want to get stung.
Say something to the camera, or you're gonna be on YouTube.
Hello. I'm just here with a friend of mine. We are both beekeepers, but he's more advanced than me. So what it is, I'm here to kind of learn and support him at the same time in making his beehive what he needs to be. Yeah. Your suit is not long. I thought it was going to be full overall.
I don't do that anymore. But I've been doing it for a little while, boy. Isn't it?
Hello, my name's
we
Emmanuel.
got stung by proper African bees. These bees are not proper bees. They're calm.
There's something else, honestly.
Mr. Butcher,
Bees are bees and for it wherever they are.
sticky is to basically this is to lift the the frame and the
Oh, so you actually get buckets of honey.
Yeah. Get quite a lot.
Wow.
no, if I leave mine somewhere there, it should be fine. Let's move mine somewhere there.
So what did you say?
Let's leave mine somewhere there.
Eh?
Let's leave mine somewhere there.
No, we can't leave you somewhere there. You know why?
Uh,
I'll get into trouble for that. Even this. If they come inspecting, they'll tell me to get rid of it.
Is it?
Of course, because they haven't given me. Listen, this bees just came here and just colonized it. I left that outside because I had no room in there.
Yeah, because they got kicked off by the owner.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, boys, we need what we call a smoker, yeah?
Yeah.
Basically, the smoker, what it does, yeah, it keeps the bees calm when we open that. So what I'll do, I put that in there, burn it, smoke will come out of there. I'll feed the smoke into there, inside. The reason for that is to keep them calm once I open the lid. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I need that.
Just relax.
Your own smoker is closed though.
You know, I left it in here. It was eaten by some insects now. For some reason. Now, do have a new one. I just haven't started using it yet.
How is Watford?
Hey, what?
Matlinika busy, Shem.
Yeah, it's hell. Complete flipping hell, man. Not quite sure if I'll be able to manage that going long term, man. Complete flipping hell.
You can smell it.
But don't you do it like inside?
Okay, boy, you're not going spray on, brother. Boy, I need you to stand back, yeah?
Okay,
A bit back.
guys. And Ima, to stay in the back.
Spray inside, boy.
Inside.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Can you straighten it first?
Huh?
Can you straighten it first?
Straighten first, yeah?
Yeah. Bring that one a bit.
Step back. It makes them sleepy. They smoke.
Not killing them. It's not killing them.
Not killing them.
They're becoming drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going.
Because bees don't smoke. It was on the bee.
They're becoming drunk.
Smoking bees.
Hey, there's some there. One.
On the rail straight in front.
Is it true that the bees, a bee sting really helps? Is it true that a bee sting really helps you?
Or is it
Let's
true
see.
that bees don't
Be quiet.
really
They're being
doesn't help
disturbed,
you?
guys. Recording. Is it recording?
Yes. Can I speak to the camera? Hello guys, did you know that a bee sting is really good for you unless you have allergies?
Don't step on my leg. Guys, do you want to be beekeepers? This is what you have to deal with as beekeepers.
I really want some honey. So call it me.
Mommy.
Bring up mommy's leg. See, mommy's leg, that's honey.
Don't step on my leg.
Chocolate.
It could be red ants, you know.
Could you make sure there's none in the world and there's none
Guys, let's step back a bit.
There's nothing but between your legs. There's one between your legs, mommy.
Wow.
Between mommy's feet. Okay, because you pick it.
No, you be that special. You're the person who had the idea.
It's got honey.
It's orange. Oh, that's wax.
So, yep, guys, we are at the beekeeping place, and as you can see, Tsepi and his friend Musa are taking out the bees. It's bees are a very important insect. In fact, bees work so hard, and they need to be in gardens, in allotments like this. This is an allotment. So what you find is that when you put smoke on bees, they tend to become a bit dizzy and are easier to deal with. So what we have learned here is that Musa just left that beehive and the bees went in themselves. So we are also going to start doing that, and we want to keep the whole process, and I'll show you everything until we have bees and honey. And so yeah, stay tuned. Wow, look at the honey. Look at that, guys.
Is that wax?
It's both.
And is that not wax?
But the honey is in the wax. It's in it. So
No, because they've made a mess. I can't put more things down there. Yeah, but because of no, I'm supposed. But they were not, like I'm telling you, they colonized this. It wasn't supposed. It was just left there. By the time I came, they had already done all this.
So bees definitely colonize.
If I want to correct it, I have to really take all this out. It's a big mess. Because it's a brood, huh? So leave it as it is. Yeah, what? Do you want to take it?
So the top ones are going to be better.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll make some sweet honey. So right now they're collecting the honey. But I think they're kind of like collecting the honeycomb too. But like I think the honey is kind of like in.
You try.
Jesus.
Eat.
That's a dangerous one. Don't let it fall on you. Look at it.
When the rainy season gets going, the amount of money that they used to give,
Look, actually,
There's people coming.
yeah.
Hello. Hiya. Yeah, good, good.
how's it going?
Fine,
mate? You
thanks. Yeah, good, good.
What apple was this thing?
I want flower. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it.
I want to go Daisy King. Something I can show the viewers. Show the viewers. Come too quickly.
I want to make a daisy tree. Look. So you can put the whole of there. And that's another daisy for me or anything. That's a flower. Flower. Then you put okay. Here. Where's that? The back side. Look, I made a daisy tree. And then just more. Then you have to poke a hole through here. And then that's it.
I'm not liking ants.
Me either. We get another a daisy or flower. Or
Yeah? So it does need that little filter. Okay, hold on. You tell me clean it up and then just clean it. Do you like the fun?
Those bees are cow. Like cow. Cow. Like cow.
Yeah, they're very, aren't they? Yeah,
you see? Yeah.
But no, opening is
Let's
not
look
too big.
at that. Then you put another one right here. Look at me another daisy.
You know why as well? One, at the moment,
Why?
come October, I need to close the place. Yeah? What I need to do is something I put on the list there. It will only increase.
Yes.
You know why? That is when the water ends. That is when the well has not one stop. That is not going in.
And those mahona that
This
all
one is right here. And that is the Mommy, look, I'm not in the daisy first. Yeah.
You need one more daisy too. I think it's too small.
Yeah, I need a daisy. One more to make it dry. Now in here we're around it's gonna be even more.
Show the camera.
Can I see the honey?
The honey.
Talk to us. What are you holding?
Well, my friend has just given us some honey to test. But this,
Is that wax?
yeah.
Really want some honey. But they're harmless, aren't they?
The harmless.
Can I have some?
Yeah, we can have some. Hang
Can I
on,
also have some?
Wait, Jack.
hang on. Let me take off the bees.
I see a bee. There's a bee in it.
Okay, my daisy chain is ready, Mommy. Then you have to look on
Why do you put this on the
For our own.
Alright guys, so as you can see, you've seen the whole process of beehive and beehive keeping, so stay tuned, and next time we'll actually show you honey, and yeah, stay tuned.
Wait, Mommy, wait.